Marc Jones ydw i. Dwi'n gweithio yn Gwnewch Power Station i First Hydro a dwi yn trainee shift engineer yn y control room. Mae apprenticeships gradd wedi rhaid y cyfle i fi dysgu sgiliau newydd sy'n bwysig yn y rôl dwi'n gwneud yn Gwnewch. It gives like a flexibility with home life and work life. It's given me the opportunity to go for jobs which were maybe out of reach before because I wasn't qualified. It's just a way of getting the qualifications and experience that I need to be able to progress in my career. I enjoy working in the control room, working in the team, which it's different to the teams I've worked with before. Dwi'n mwynhau y ffaith bod fi'n cael dal i weithio wrth dysgu. Yr uchafbwynt sydd at hyn ydy bod fi wedi cael qualification merit yn foundation degree fi o Prifysgol Wrecsam. Yeah, it's just a sense of achievement really. I'm enjoying it. It's given me a chance of progression. Makes you feel good and proud. I feel I've developed some skills during the apprenticeship, such as working as part of a team in the control room, working with the technicians to sort of resolve issues. So it's a small team, so it's important that you get along really. Os yna rhywun arall yn meddwl gwneud apprenticeship gradd, swn i yn awgrymu bod nhw yn gwneud hynny, because mae o'n rhaid yr flexibility i chi cael i weithio, cael arian a dysgu yr un amser. Yn y dyfodol, dwi'n edrych ymlaen i orffan yr apprenticeship i fi cael canolbwyntio mwy ar y rôl sgynna fi ar y station, i fi cael wedyn symud ymlaen i cael permanent rôl ar shift, fatha shift engineer.